Philippine National Security Advisor Eduardo Año calls on the Foreign Affairs Department to take appropriate action after diplomats from the Chinese embassy claimed to possess a recording of a phone call with a Philippine naval officer. He says, quote, "Those responsible for these malign influence and interference operations must be removed from the country immediately." He adds, the Chinese embassy's repeated acts of engaging in and dissemination of disinformation, misinformation, and malinformation should not be allowed to pass unsanctioned or without serious penalty. On Thursday, the Philippines reminded diplomats they should strictly adhere to the Vienna Convention and respect the laws of their host governments. The Chinese embassy in Manila earlier gave two local publications snippets of the purported recording of a phone call. In it, Philippine Western Command Chief Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos and a Chinese diplomat supposedly agreed to a so-called new model to handle tensions in Ayungin Shoal in the West Philippine Sea.